How to fix SugarWOD app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix SugarWOD app not working. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So if you're facing this issue where you cannot use the app and you get errors and stuff, this is what you'll need to do. First step, go to your settings. Now let me come back here. So after you're on your settings, first let's try this out by clearing out the cache from our device. So go to general, go to iPhone storage, and right here search for SugarWOD. After you search for it and find it, tap on offload app and offload the app completely. After you offload the app, you can then reinstall it, and that will have your cache cleared out. After the cache clears out, you can then try to use the app. If it does not work even after that, what you might want to do is go to your app store, search for SugarWOD. After you search for SugarWOD, if you see an update available on the app, tap on update and update the app, since that comes with bugs, fixes and improvements which might fix the issue that is causing your error. So do that. And finally, when you try to use the app, make sure that you're on good internet connection. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.